Okay, here's a small parcel of pieces of opalised, probably timber fossils from Lightning Ridge, Australia. I'll zoom in to give you a bit better look. Okay, I've zoomed in a bit. Rules in millimetres, haven't moved the pieces. This parcel doesn't look like it's got as much colour in it, but it's got the definition, the opalised wood. Piece with some colour in it. Bit of potch, honey potch. Purple, blues. This piece of crystal piece. Bit more colour in that bit. Bit of honey potch there. Anyway, I think that's given you an idea of what you're looking at. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.